There is no replacement for displacement.
Alright, so I was experimenting a little bit with my tune. And what I did was I took one fuel map from my slower tune and put it onto my tune with advanced timing to see what it would do. And it didn't really work out that well. It was too much fuel and the car was slow as crap. And I blew a fuse and relay. So right now I'm either going to go to the store or try and find one or all the above and put it back in there and get back on the road. Nick saves the day with the relays and the fuses. Thanks, buddy. No problem, dude. It's not a 40 amp that I want to try, but it's a 30, so it may or may not pop again. I hope it doesn't, but we'll see what happens. I'll just keep an eye on it. Extra eye. Little quick tip, guys. If you have a relay like this and it has this little bracket in there to screw it into something and you don't want it on there because it could hit your fuse panel and cause a short, what you can do, and if you don't have a flathead screwdriver, you can use the pin of the old relay and slide it. Scratch that. Even better, if you have your key, put it in the top and then slide it out like this. Just like that. Simple. And then you can throw it in your car. JG.
1J?
1.5.
1.5. That's crazy.
That's the boat blower.
Are you doing ride along?
Yes.
Would you get my girlfriend a ride along?
Sure.
Yeah, when you have a chance, just stop right here. We're ready, okay?
Alright, got it.
Thank you so much,
Yeah, man.
You got this thing ripped.
Huh?
You got this thing ripped.
Yeah, I have it. No? Catch this one. That's awesome.
Let me add you on this. I will hit you up before down here. Yeah, you ready?
So I had a ton of fun over here at OSW today. My dad ended up showing up. And Pat was over here and a bunch of other people were over here. And I gave a bunch of people ride-alongs, and it's super fun to do that because they get to experience pretty much the same feelings that you're experiencing as a driver. And to me, I think that's one of the best parts about drifting. And I also worked at the track today. That was super fun. I got to BS on the walkie-talkies with Tyson all day. And yeah, my car drove saucy as hell. So what are we gonna do now? Go get food?
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go get food now, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification so you get notified when there's new videos released, and I will see you guys next time, so bye. Alright, what's your guys? Oh my god, I have you guys on camera together. This is amazing.
There's no replacement for displacement.
That is correct.
You didn't say it.
There is no replacement.
But at the same time.
There is no replacement for displacement. V8, twin turbo baby, all the way.
Unless you have
Yeah.
EI and the E85.
Or unless you have a 2J.
unless you have a 2J. Or a 1.5J.
Or a 1.5J.
Or a 1.
I said the wrong thing.
Let's start with first. We'll start with.
This is Smoke Sideways outtakes.
All right.
I swear we're not drunk.
All right. There's no plate. All right, try again. All right, try again. Okay. There's no replacement for displacement. Next. Or a 1.5J. Bam.
Yes.